Howdy, welcome into For the Low. My name is Spencer and today I've got this JVC 5-disc CD player, model number XL-F106BK. But really quickly, did you know that CD sales actually peaked in the year 2001? Yeah, so that was the time period where the most CDs were sold, but let's go ahead and talk about this. On the rear panel of the device, you have your power cord input right here, and then you have your audio output right and left, and then you have CompuLink Synchro. And this particular CD player was manufactured all the way back in July of 1992, and this model will have been manufactured somewhere in that time range. So to connect it, you'll just connect your power cable and then your audio cable. And you want to probably connect this to an amplifier similar to what you see right here, as well as some speakers. You can connect it to just about any speaker as long as you have the correct adapter though. So we'll play back a CD real quick. And then on the front panel of the device, you have a power button right here, your disc select buttons right here, a phone's level adjustment because you can connect headphones right here with the headphone jack. And then over here you have your search button. You can quickly search through the song. You can skip to the next track with that same button. And then you have your backtrack button. You have call, memory, and play mode. With the play mode button, you can switch between program play, random play, and continue play. With random play, it will allow you to shuffle through all 5 CDs or with 1 CD. And then you can use the repeat function to continuously repeat the music. And then you can even set it to repeat 1. That will just repeat 1 CD. And then you have your open close button and your play pause button right there. That's pretty much all there is for this JVC 5-disc CD player. If you want to order one, you can give us a call or check out our online store.